Fanhong 100T metal briquetting machine is mainly used to cold press metal waste powder, such as iron, copper, aluminum chips through a special high-pressure mold, so that it can withstand high pressure on a small area to press into cakes. More than 95% of the cutting fluid is discharged, which facilitates the transportation of metal chips and reduces the amount of oxidation and burning loss during the smelting process to achieve significant economic benefits. It is an ideal equipment for scrap metal recycling companies, metal smelters, machining companies, environmental protection, and renewable resource companies. Product advantages and features. 1. Fully enclosed automatic oil injection lubrication system. Advantages: effectively protect the discharge gate to run smoothly without jamming. 2. All cold pressing molds are made of high-strength alloy steel imported from Switzerland. Advantages: longer service life and reduced replacement times. 3. The inlet box body exclusively uses alloy manganese plate and reinforced plate. Advantages: first, it increases the strength of the material box. Second, it protects the bottom of the material box from wear for a longer time, and its wear resistance is far superior to the same equipment on the market. Anti-collision, durable, and not easy to deform. For the hydraulic station adopts a cold and hot isolation system and a high-power cooling system.